Hi, I'm Gyok Tree, CEO of Bridge Alliance. Be in Conversation is a platform that we have created to have that conversation with our key partners, enterprises, as well as bridge operators to drive deeper collaboration and to propel our industry forward. Today, I'm very pleased to have Ms. Lena Ng, Chief Investment Officer of AMATA Corp, with us today. Welcome, Lena.
Hi, Sawadika.
Sawadika. So, Lena, Amata Corp, I understand, is the largest listed company in Thai Stock Exchange in the category of industrial estate. So, maybe you can share with our audience here what exactly does Amata Corp do, right? And your aspiration for the company.
AMATA Corporation is a Thai conglomerate involved is a multi-sectorial business. We started out from the industrial city development in Thailand, and now we have transformed into smart city development. And we also provide power, utilities, and smart city services to our international clients. Our aspiration, in fact, is to be one of the top 10 smart city globally so that we could serve our clients and also work with other strategic partners like Bridge Alliance and definitely other telcos.
Right, excellent. So, in the last 12 to 15 months, the world has been into a new normal. So, how has all this that's happening so fast, right, in the last 12 to 15 months impacted your business and the way you run business?
I think definitely one of the key challenges that many businesses face is in terms of the disruption of business travel and a lot of the business decision with regards to the acquisition of land bank and also in terms of the development projects being sort of like KIV in that situation. Our clients has also been impacted in the supply chain disruption. So we do see these challenges, but with the help of technology, we are able to seize the opportunities to explore with like-minded partners and to use technology in terms of communications, sharing of ideas, and getting the prep work done for the whole of last year. In fact, it has quite a fair bit of developments with regards to strategic partnership because of like-minded partners like yourself.
Right. So, talking about technology, being in the telco industry, telcos are very excited about 5G, and we are moving into the 5G era, right? So, if you look at 5G and the possibility that 5G is bringing, how do you think your business, right, in the area of developing industrial estate can leverage on 5G? And what's the imagination in terms of the future of 5G?
Yeah, in fact, we are on progress to transform from industrial city development to smart city development. After working with the Yokohama city for the last 4 to 5 years, we are on the right transformation journey. So we have also worked with the largest telco in Thailand, which is AIS. I believe is also an associated company of Singtel. We have a joint venture which is called AMATA Network,
Right.
and we are looking into the provision of 5G infrastructure for our key clients in the manufacturing sector, so that they could look into areas like Internet of Things (IoT) for manufacturing, and also how to leverage for smart manufacturing in their factory because of the as earlier we have mentioned about the challenges caused by the COVID pandemic. Many have also realized that it is important to use the right technology at the right time to introduce and induce some innovation and creativity. So I think 5G will come in very timely because in Amata, in our location, we are right in the center of the Thailand Eastern Economic Corridor. So in that area, about 80% of the, I was told, about 80% of the 5G infrastructure is almost ready in this Eastern Economic Corridor by the EEC office, which is
Right.
from the Thai government. So in this case, when the infrastructure is ready, a lot of the value added providers can come in and provide different type of services leveraging on the 5G. We are talking to some of the vendors that provide very innovative street lighting. We are also talking to some smart mobility players.
Right.
So leveraging on 5G is as wide as your imagination can take you. You know,
Right.
so but we would like to focus on our core, which is in terms of manufacturing, smart services, and also in terms of the operation, which provide the urban solution for our clients that is already in our estate. I think we have close to about 300,000 working population in our city. So we look forward to more innovative solution provider that could leverage on the 5G technologies to work with us.
Right. I think the JV that you have with AIS, who's also part of Breach Alliance network, is a very synergistic one, right? Where each of you actually have your own area of expertise, and by coming together, you can then deliver the best solution to serve your enterprise customers in your industrial estate. So beyond 5G, of course, a lot of enterprises are also looking at digital transformation, right? And when we talk about digital transformation, it's such a broad word, right? It means a lot of things to different people. One area of it probably is about how the enterprises are now looking at different means to engage their consumer or their customer. So that's an area also telcos are very passionate about in exposing different component of telco to be consumed as API, so that enterprises can embed those into their workflow. So going forward, what's your view in terms of how telcos, together with enterprises like yourself, can do more to accelerate the journey of digital transformation for your end customers?
I think going forward, if we were to look at the role of telcos, right? Because one of the top concern for a lot of the enterprise customers are in fact on security. So the role of a telco, I think you could change into, or you could morph into providing a core centralized secured platform, which you actually serve as a filter or actually a protection for those who are the startup and the enterprise, because if not, you know, there will be a huge enterprise risk, right, if we were to expose our operation by using on technology. So it is a double-edged sword, and I hope telco can play this key role with regards to secure platform. And also at the end of the day, if telco could also move away from you know, the discrete elements, but into more of the virtualized cloud infrastructure, and we could actually provide that maybe infrastructure as a service, and so that more, you know, because if more enterprises like ourselves or even our partners, our clients can be engaged or use the services, then I think we would get the economies of scale and everybody could benefit. So I would envisage the role of telco to be one of providing the security, the platform, you know, to encourage more collaboration, and also in terms of really helping to gather some of this innovation together.
Right. Thanks, Lena. I think that's well said, right? So as telcos, we typically look at ourselves as the digital fabric of a smart city, and that's where it works well together in terms of partnership with enterprises like AMATA Corp. And like what you have rightly pointed out, on this digital fabric, there's a lot of areas that we can collaborate and unlock through 5G, IoT, and of course security. So a very good partnership that I can look forward to working closely with your company as well. So thank you. Thanks, Lena, for joining us in
Pleasure.
today's Being Conversation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Gokshi. Thank you.
Thank you.